If you're looking for a scalp oil that will make your hair grow, this is the oil to try out. I am very sure that this is not the first time you are coming across onions oil. This is the reason why people swear by it. Onions has become popular for a reason. I am not saying it is magic. I am not saying it's going to give you that long hair overnight. What I'm saying is that it is going to improve the health of your scalp, strengthen your hair, and also support the health of your hair and scalp. People use onions oil on their scalp because onions contain sulfur, which is a major component of keratin, the protein that your hair is made up of. When you apply the oil on your scalp, it will help strengthen your hair follicle. It will support healthier and thicker strands over time. It can reduce hair shedding caused by weak roots, and it can also cure dandruff. I am always making onion juice for hair growth, but this time around, I need you to know that you can also infuse it in your oils. When you massage onions oil into your scalp, you boost blood circulation. Your hair follicle receive more nutrients and oxygen. It also creates a better environment for your hair to thrive. Another thing is that onions has a natural antibacterial and antifungal property that can help reduce dandruff. It can also help calm itchy scalp. It can keep the scalp environment clean and healthy. Onions oil also helps seal the hair cuticles. It makes your hair look glossy and reduce dullness. It also reduces freezes and dryness. If you are dealing with any kind of hair loss, patchy hair loss, or your edges are receding, this oil will help you a lot. You can include this oil to your hair care routine after moisturizing your hair or before moisturizing your hair. Just apply this oil on your scalp. You can also use it as a sealant for your strands. Applying oil on your scalp keeps it hydrated for a longer period. You notice sometimes when you moisturize your hair with just your hair growth spray, it dries out almost immediately. But if you moisturize and then add in some oil, it's going to stay there longer. Natural oils like coconut oil, which is what we are going to use in this video, can help lock in moisture and prevent dryness on the scalp. The reason why your scalp is always itching and producing flake is because it is dry. Once you start applying this oil on your scalp will stay moisturized. Another reason you should make use of this oil is because when you massage it into your scalp, it will stimulate blood flow. You know, better circulation means your hair follicle gets more oxygen, more nutrients that can support healthier and thicker, faster growth. Oils also strengthen your hair from the root. When you apply oil on your scalp, it penetrates into your hair shaft, reducing protein loss. Especially with oil like coconut oil, it helps prevent weak, brittle strands that can snap easily. It also reduces dandruff and irritation. For those of you who have been battling with dandruff, certain oil like coconut oil, tea tree, or infused oil with clove and garlic has antimicrobial properties that can help calm irritation, itchiness, reduce flaking, and also keep your scalp environment balanced. Which is why I am putting together onions, garlic, clove, and a little bit of coffee to this oil. Adding fresh garlic to this oil actually makes it more active on the scalp. It works incredibly as a scalp treatment. It is not magic, but it will boost blood flow on your scalp. Garlic contains allicin, which is a sulfur compound that can help stimulate blood flow when applied on the scalp. It helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicle. It also supports thicker and healthier hair growth over time. This is the main reason garlic is used in this oil. It strengthens your hair from the roots and reduces breakage. Sulfur compound present in garlic is important for keratin production. It also contains zinc and ceruleum that supports scalp health. The nutrients in garlic help reinforce weak strands, reduce excessive shedding, makes your hair feel thicker and healthier with consistent use. Garlic in this oil will help fight dandruff and infections on the scalp. Garlic has a strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which helps control dandruff growing on the scalp, reduces itching and inflammation on the scalp, keeps your scalp environment clean and balanced. Whatever you do, if you really want to grow your hair, you have to ensure you have a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp gives you a better chance of consistent growth. Because garlic stimulates the scalp and reduces buildup, it will help reactivate weak and slow growing follicles. This oil is very useful for thinning edges. If you know that your edges are receding, just focus this oil on that area and you get it back within months. Before we introduce the third ingredient, which is clove, when you're making this oil for personal use, I advise you to make it when you're not in need of it. The reason I said that is for you to give it enough time to actually infuse. I use this method because I have to upload this video quicker. But if you're using it for personal use, I advise you to infuse it for days. If you're making it for personal use, use a double boiler method and then leave it for at least 1 week. before you start using it. Let's talk about the carrier oil for today, which is coconut oil, before we get into the third ingredient. Coconut oil is one of those oil that don't just sit on your scalp, it penetrates deep into your hair follicle. Coconut oil gives you that deep moisture that actually lasts. Unlike heavier oil that coats the surface, coconut oil sinks into your hair shaft, reducing dryness from within, and it doesn't make your hair feel rough and brittle. This is especially useful if your hair gets dry quickly and it feels hard after washing. Coconut oil also reduces protein loss. This is the big one. Your hair is made up of keratin, which is a protein. After washing, heat styling, or going to the swimming pool, coconut oil will help protect your hair before washing, which is the pre-pool. It reduces breakage during detangling. Applying coconut oil on your scalp helps support a healthy scalp, which is why Indian people use it a lot. When you apply it on your scalp, it can help reduce dryness and flaking, help reduce dandruff, and also soothe irritated scalp. It also contains some microbial property that can help keep the scalp balanced. So we'll be adding a little bit of coffee to this oil, and I will tell you why later. One thing I like about coconut oil is that it acts as a shield for your hair. It protects your hair from damages, environmental stress, maybe from dust or from the sun. Now to the reason I decided to add coffee to this. Adding coffee to this oil makes it more stimulating on the scalp. Coffee contains caffeine, which stimulates the hair follicle. Coffee helps your hair stay in its growth phase longer. That is the anaging phase. Coffee can reduce the effect on DHT on your scalp, which is a hormone responsible for hair thinning. And this is why coffee is used in many of the hair loss treatments. Adding coffee to this oil will also improve the scalp boosting effect, which will increase more circulation on your scalp, help deliver more nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicle, and also supports healthier and stronger hair. We have combined onions for strengthening and reducing shedding. Also added garlic for stimulating and fighting scalp infection. We also added clove for boosting circulation and keeping the scalp clean. And again, coffee for stimulating the follicle and caffeine boost. Finally, coconut oil for moisturizing and carrying everything. This is a highly stimulating scalp oil, not just a simple oil. If you start using this oil, what you notice first is reduced shedding. Within the first 2 weeks to 4 weeks, you will notice less hair will be on your comb and on your pillow. You will notice stronger strands that won't snap easily. Thanks to sulfur in garlic and onions, plus the protecting power of coconut oil. Within few uses, you will notice a healthier and calmer scalp. You will notice reduced itchy and dryness. You will notice less dandruff and flakes. Your scalp feels cleaner and more balanced. When you apply this oil on your scalp, you will notice a tingling sensation. That is absolutely normal. It is just circulation boost, which is what you need. But if you apply this oil and you notice that your scalp starts to burn, this means it is too strong and you need to dilute it. Dilute the potency by adding more coconut oil to it. Note that this scalp oil is not limited to coconut oil only. You can use any other oil you have available. If you use this oil consistently, by 4 to 8 weeks, you should notice baby hair start to appear. Your thinning edges start to look fuller and your hair may grow slightly faster than usual, because this oil enhances blood flow and gives you a healthier follicle. Even before you experience that majority growth, your hair will feel moisturized longer. It will look healthier and thicker. Your hair will no longer look dull and frizzy. And this is because coconut oil smoothens out the hair cuticles. I need to be honest with you, if you're looking for overnight growth, this oil won't give you that. If you're looking for miracle inches in a week, this oil is not gonna give you that. If your baldness is genetic, it's not gonna reverse it. With this oil, you have to be consistent with it to see results. Results won't happen without consistency. If you do everything right, you're going to see your results within 2 to 3 weeks. Apply and massage properly. Keep your scalp clean. Do not overuse this oil. A little goes a long way. This oil promises to give you the perfect environment where your hair can grow thicker, longer, and healthier. If you enjoyed watching this video, before you leave, please subscribe, like, and comment, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.